Okay, Mag, this one's ignore. So if I this one is if I'm a 1. This one is 1 if I'm a 0. If I'm a 0 I'm here, if I'm a 1 I'm here. Then if that's a 0 and that's a 0, no, if that's a 1 or that's a 1, I don't write, because if I'm a 1, I'm turning into a 0. This is right 1. I'm a 0, so I don't write it. And if I don't write, yeah, so it'll just box the oscillator. So, but if I'm a 0, which turns into a 1, then I'm a 1. Oh no. 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. This is not inverted. This is inverted. If inverted is a 1, that means I was a 0. Oh, it can only be one or the other, right? If I'm a 0, I write a 1. Unless, oh yeah, unless, yeah, so that's inverted carry. If the other one carried across and it's a 1, that's a 0. If I'm not inverted, it's a 1, that's a 1. If I'm 1 and 0, then I'm a 0. But if I'm 0 0, I didn't carry, and I'm a 0. If I didn't carry, yes, I didn't carry, and I'm a 1. I put a 1 if I didn't carry. If I did carry, I'm a 0. If I did carry, that's the last one turned into a 1, and I'm a 0. Then I turn into a 1. If I didn't carry and I'm a 1, I turn into a 1. If I did carry and I'm a 1, okay. If the last one changed into a 1 and I'm a 1, I'm a 0. If the last one didn't carry and I'm a 1, I stay a 1. If the last one did carry and I'm a 0, I change into a 1. If the last one didn't carry and I'm a 0, I stay at 0. So this is a OR gate. So what do I do? So I get the value and then I fan it out. And then that goes to the last one's carry. So that's clock or last carry. And then that does a XOR with it. No. So this one's the last carry. And that's inverted, that's not inverted. If I'm inverted, so if I'm a 0, I go this way. If I'm a 1, I go this way. So if I'm a 0 and the last one carried, then I write W1. Now if I'm a 1 and the last carry, so 1, I if I'm a 1, then if I'm a 1 last carry, then I'm right 0. So if I'm a 1 when the last carry is 0, that's if I'm a 1, then that's right 1. Otherwise, I'm a 0. So that's 0 and 1, 1 and 0. So here's the bit 0, and then the clock comes in. Then if I'm a 0, I turn it to a 1. Then I AND, then I turn it to a 1, plus I go down there, and that's 0. Okay, then that turns into 2, bit 1. Okay, so 0 and 1, 0 and 1. No, that's 1, 0. And then that's actually it's either of the two. 1. But if I'm a let, if I turn into a 1, I don't actually carry, so yeah. Oh yeah, but if it's not true, then I carry. So if I'm a 1, that's me just staying a 1. But if this out there, but if I'm a 0, then I go to bit 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, or I carry. So this is the not, I carry. If I don't change it to a 1, I'm a 0. If I'm a 0, oh no, it's not that one. It's actually this one. 1, carry. Okay, bit more to go.